Hi everyone, welcome back to We Live a Lot. Today I'm going to be reviewing the self-inflating sleeping pad by Outdoorsman Lab. Now the folks at Outdoorsman Lab were kind enough to send us one to sample out, so we've really been putting this through the test this summer and also going into fall camping. So the first thing you'll notice is it does come with a stuff sack, which is awesome. It makes it easy for travel. You can throw it into your car, you can throw it in with your camping gear. It's just very convenient having it in this stuff sack. It's very well made. It comes with a cinch top, so it's easy to roll up and stuff back into the stuff sack when you're finished. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this pulled out for you. Once it is all stuffed in here in this sack, it is about 7 pounds, so it's definitely not a backpacking sleeping pad. It's made for camping, going into your car. I've even used it just a day at the river when we're out fishing, so it's super convenient as long as you're not trying to do any sort of ultralight backpacking. As you can see, it already is starting to self-inflate, which is awesome. It kind of just unrolls here, has this like slippery anti-slipping grip on here, which works fantastic when you have a sleeping bag. You kind of just put it on the top here and it gives you a little extra gripping so you're not kind of sliding all over the pad. When this pad is inflated, it's about 3 inches thick, which is amazing. It's super comfortable. You don't have to worry about any air coming out or any holes. You're gonna be guaranteed to get a good night's sleep. It's almost like bringing a mini bed camping with you, but it's just super convenient and warm. The Outdoorsman Lab self-inflating pad comes with a 360 valve here. You can see you can kind of push it. It goes all the way around to stop it or put breaths into it. Brooks added about 8 breaths just to kind of get it fully inflated. It's super comfortable. It's about 3 inches thick when fully inflated. Has great back support, and then it does have these silicone anti-slip pads on here to secure your sleeping bag to the pad. All right, one of my favorite things about the Outdoorsman Lab self-inflating sleeping pad is how versatile it is. If you choose to just blow it up, set it in your tent, that's completely fine, but there's so many uses for this sleeping pad. I love bringing it out of the tent. My favorite thing to do is probably use it on river rocks, whether I take it fishing, whether I just want to lay by the river during the day, or even stargaze at night. It's so comfortable. It doesn't feel like you should be this comfortable when you're laying on rocks when you're out camping. It has fantastic back support. It's super durable. I've never had to worry about it popping on rocks or sticks, anything poking up. It does have an R factor of 8, and it is recommended that you can use this for cold weather camping and use it up to negative 36 degrees. I personally will not be testing that out as I'm already cold, but so far this pad has not let me down. I am very pleased with how comfortable it is. I definitely sleep better when I use this pad compared to, the pads I take backpacking. So anytime I'm gonna do car camping, just camping trips in general, this pad is definitely coming with me. Another great use of the Outdoorsman Lab pad is you can use it as a chair. You can find any tree, you can prop it up. It's super comfortable. So if you don't have space to bring any camping chairs with you, this does double as a chair and also a sleeping pad. All right, overall, I've been so happy with the Outdoorsman Lab self-inflating sleeping pad. I would highly recommend adding it to your camping setup. I will put the link in the description. The price does fluctuate anywhere from 50 to 80, so check out that link to see what that current price is for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more outdoor reviews and adventures. Remember, why live a little when you can live